What's good, guys? I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's happening with the vehicle. Some of you might not know, but on September 26th is my tune date. I have Hussein from Racebox coming down to Miami to tune the Q50, and I have a ton of parts to install in the car. So today I actually installed the low pressure fuel pump. I did a DIY, I didn't use the AMS kit. I pretty much tested it, everything works good. Now I do have a high pressure fuel pump from AMS which I need to install on this, but it's not a smart decision to install this because once you do, you might lose an injector. So this should be probably one of the last things I am gonna install. Well, this is gonna be one of the last things I'm going to install, because either way I don't have a base map and I won't be able to really test the car after. It's just too many variables. So this will be the last thing I am going to install. And today I was supposed to finish installing my AMS Flex Fuel kit, but it didn't arrive. So that's gonna pretty much set me back 2 days. Today's Saturday. I'm gonna work on the car again on Monday. Install a Flex Fuel kit along with the inline filter. Test the car and see if everything works perfectly fine. And then that's when I'm gonna park the car in and pretty much open up the cooling system so I can install the AMS tanks, the inner chiller, and take the car then over to an AC place that's gonna tee into my suction line for the refrigerant, so I can actually charge up the car and see if the inner chiller actually works. Then after I do that is when I'm gonna install a high pressure fuel pump. I have pretty much 5 days left to do all of this, and I work 12 hours every single day. This is gonna be very close, guys, so I just wanted to give you guys an update on what's going on. I am recording my installs. It might take a while for me to edit, but I'm doing the best I can with the little time that I have, and also pretty much selling carbon fiber parts and sequential mirrors. I really don't have that much time to work on the car. So yeah, guys, if you guys want to follow the build, make sure to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and as always, like the comment, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.